If you're thinking of trying VideoTube AI, this is exactly what you need, because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this just released AI software. Stick with me till the end, because one of the final features could completely change how you make content on YouTube. And yes, you can try VideoTube AI completely free from the first link below. I've tested it hands-on, and there's one feature that nobody is talking about, but you'll want to know about it. So, what is VideoTube AI? It's a brand new AI tool designed to help you research, script, and optimize YouTube videos faster than ever. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, this tool has been built with real-world video workflows in mind. First off, speed. This thing is fast. From idea to script, it takes maybe 60 seconds. You give it a keyword or topic, and it returns a full script, title suggestions, video chapters, and even SEO tags. It's like having a YouTube strategist, script writer, and SEO expert rolled into one. Next, accuracy. Unlike older content AIs that pump out vague, fluffy text, VideoTube AI actually references recent trends and content from top-performing channels in your niche. It's not just generating content, it's learning from what's working right now on YouTube. Third, integration. One of the biggest strengths is how well it works with existing platforms. You can plug its outputs directly into tools like Notion, Google Docs, or even YouTube Studio with barely any editing needed. I tested it with a real video and it cut my workflow in half. Fourth, the interface is clean and zero fluff. Everything's drag and drop, and you can edit the AI script in real time. If you've used tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, this one feels way more purpose-built for YouTube creators. Here's a game changer. VideoTube AI automatically creates video descriptions that are keyword optimized and timestamped. So you're not just saving time, you're also ranking faster. One hidden gem, it actually rewrites your older scripts into fresh angles for new videos. That means you can recycle your past content ideas into new uploads without repeating yourself. And YouTube's algorithm loves consistent posting. And finally, it learns your tone. The more you use it, the better it adapts. I was skeptical, but after a few videos, the style it produced started sounding like me, without me lifting a finger. If you're even thinking about using AI to scale your content, VideoTube AI is one of the most complete tools I've tested, and I've tried hundreds of them. Again, you can try it for free from the first link below and see if it fits your workflow. Before you go, I've also dropped my top recommended AI software tools in the description. These are the ones I personally use after testing thousands of AI tools across marketing, video, and automation. Check those out too if you're serious about growing with AI.